back to Nail Chronicle. This week I've got a fun Summer 2021 design for you, although this could be applied for any year if you're watching this in the future. So for this design I started out with a white polish and then started to add in some light blue nail stamping. My whole goal of adding the stamping was to enhance the nail stickers that I'm going to add on in a second. So the nail stickers I received for Christmas, they're really cute, like dolphins and sea creatures, and I really didn't want to go too heavy on the base as I was worried that the stickers would sort of blend into the background and you wouldn't be able to see them very well. So I wanted to make sure that you could see the stickers really clearly. So I just did a few experiments on my practice wheel because I had a feeling I may screw up the colours. Particularly I was thinking maybe doing like a ombre with some dark blue to light blue going up my nail, which is a different direction to what I normally do. I normally do from top nail to bottom. Or maybe some like beach themes or like sunsets or something like that. But in the end I ended up landing on doing the light blue with the white, and just I want to create the background there but not quite be there, if that makes sense. So then I moved on to the nail stickers, and the nail stickers I used the tweezers to help me lift it up. They were really well stuck down to the sheet, and so I did try and use my hand. I also forgot to remove the cover sheet. It wasn't until I started removing it, I'm like, this doesn't feel right. The stickers are really nice. They're quite hardy, and so I didn't feel like I was going to tear them accidentally with the tweezers, which is really good. I've had some really thin ones before where they're just broken, and I've had to be really delicate and gentle with them. So I tried to pick stickers that would suit the nail. So I've got a short one that you'll see towards the end of this video where the turtle actually looked really cute on that nail, whereas it looked a bit funny on the big nail. And just in case you're wondering, the reason my nail is so short is I snapped it and it's too short to actually file straight, which is why it looks a bit crooked. That'll make sense at the end. So I just kept going and using the tweezers. The reason I use these tweezers is just to make it easier to lift and to also prevent me damaging my nail polish and all the stamping that I've just completed. So here we have my final design. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a fantastic summer, whether it's happening now for yourself like it is for me, or whether it happens later on in the year if you're in the Northern Hemisphere. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you then. Bye!